Airport Mogadishu International Airport kusaidia mu Somalia. Walwa bali bakwate kubo kutoka. Ngabo jimanyi nti ensi already yalimu entalo ezitagwa. Ati gena akola nako sebo.
It's a present from my husband.
Eche kirabo sebo kyampeddwa dawali.
Let go.
Obuza sebo kyabo kyampeddwa bawange Garcia. Bamugamba dawali. Kuno yakwate kubo nawayo passport. Gyo kasote kamuka dola. Boss, we agende.
So look, the Colonel General has come to visit the Lieutenant General, and the Colonel General has the most unique salute.
And the retirement is when?
The Lieutenant General is retiring in exactly 8 years.
Exactly.
He's retiring in 8 years.
Wonderful.
Not tomorrow, but in 8 years.
In 8 years, yes.
Correct.
Wonderful.
So we're done.
Yes, sir.
Kati mwana buli kigambe chimvama abantu bachiventono bichi anjagala buli kigambo nchogere nga sichegana ochegera jaja tone nga inze nchogere nga chiva konze kulo so nga nyina answer yacho ochegera nga muneka tonne wambuza mbuchi nga nzira mu mbuchi.
Are you 18, 19, early 20s? Here is a tip for you if you are planning on approaching an older person for any reason whatsoever. The older person you're going to approach will be looking out for the level of your confidence. And they can tell the level of your confidence by looking at how you stand while you deliver your message, or how you sit while you speak to them. So, mind how you stand or how you sit when you're speaking to older people. Your body posture gives you away so easily. If you are going to stand while you're speaking to an older person, please keep your hands in one place. You can fold them and put them at the back, or fold them and put them on your stomach. Or you can have them stay on the sides. Do not bite your fingernails.
Alright, the challenge continues and it's your time, Oprah. Here we go. No hesitation, no pausing, no stopping. Okay. Anything happens, water.
Okay.
Let's go.
Amazina gadwe ninye omjisha Oprah. Mhara wa mteruzi Benjamin owarubare tungamo. Nimishukuru wa Kagaju Gashom owarubare tungamo. Ndimwishukuru wa Seb Kwenjere Research owazichigwe Parisa Gogonya. Ndimwishukuru wa mteruzi Ibrahim owazichigwe Ntungamo. Ndimwishukuru wa Kagaju owazichigwe Ntungamo. Fasta. Ndimwishukuru wa Kataribata owazichigwe Ntungamo. Ndimwishukuru wa Nyakasimbi owazichigwe Ntungamo. Ndimwishukuru wa Rubambura owazichigwe Ntungamo.
Omuziro gwawe niki?
Omuziro. Ndiyo mtyabakazi kandi ninzira obulunga.